Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. We have started osmosis. Today we are covering fourth lecture regarding the osmosis. We are going to discuss the importance of osmosis in plants and the animal cells. Here you will understand osmosis in root hair cells, plant uptake from soil, effect of fertilizers on plant, effect of irrigation and salt accumulation, importance of osmosis in animal tissue, dehydration and sweating, plasmolyzed red blood cells, sport drinks. So after this you will be able to get some exam strip and the key terms, and you have to understand real-time importance of osmosis and the basic concept of osmosis. So let's start the video. Firstly, we will discuss that the plant cell. We have already discussed in lecture 3 about the osmosis, in which we discussed the turgid, that the turgid is the state when the water gets well, and the turgor pressure is the pressure that is exerted by the vacuole on the cell wall. So after this we have already discussed plasmolysis and the flaccid. So from here root hair cells we are going to start. That root hair cell touch water in soil. The water potential of the soil is increases than this cell. The cell water potential is low. Then water enters the root hair cell by osmosis. This provides water to plant, maintains turgidity, allows transport in the xylem. Now we discuss the effect of fertilizers. Effect of fertilizers. Too much fertilizer lowers water potential of soil. Water leaves root hair and the plant wilts and may die. So irrigation must can also cause salt buildup. This makes that the land unsuitable for crops. So too much crops is not useful for the plant. Much agricultural land in the hot countries has become unusable because of this side effect of the irrigation. This decreases the water potential of the soil, and in this way the plant wilt. Now we discuss the importance of water in animal tissues. Animal tissue must be in solution with same water potential if surrounded by the pure water. If water enters cell's well, cell burst. Single-celled organisms like amoeba have contractile vacuoles. These contractile vacuoles helps to remove the extra water from the cell. Now we discuss an important term, that is about the sport drinks and the osmosis. As we discussed that the pure water causes the bursting of the cell. So when the surgeon carry out operations on patients' internal organs, they need to rinse the wound with saline water. No pure water can be used because it causes the cell bursting. So the saline solution or salt solution that has the same water potential as the tissue fluid has been used. Now we discuss the sports drink and osmosis. During sweating or during physical activity, when the body may sweat to keep a steady temperature, so the water leaves red blood cells and the cell become plasmolyzed. Oxygen transport reduces. So sports drink are isotonic. During sweating, the blood resulted to become a concentrated solution as the water potential decreases. So the water drawn out from the red blood cells by osmosis and the cell become plasmolyzed. This affects the carrying capacity of the oxygen. Because the red blood cell become plasmolyzed, they are shrinked. So this reduces their oxygen carrying capacity like this. This is the plasmolyzed red blood cells. So people drink sports drink that are known as and which are isotonic, have the same potential and according to the body fluids. They are designed to replace lost water and the salt and provide energy without creating any osmotic problems. Sport drinks are isotonic and same water potential. They replace water, salts and energy. So however, use of this drink when not exercising vigorously can lead to one weight gain in the same way as use of any sugar rich drink. So keep it in your mind that how osmosis affects our body and how osmosis is useful for our body. This is all about the lecture. Here is some exam tip that you always write water moves from the higher water potential to the lower water potential through a partially permeable membrane. Don't write higher concentration to lower concentration. This is a diffusion, not osmosis. So in this osmosis lecture, we studied that what osmosis is, how water moves, animal cells, plant cells, trigger pressure, plasmolysis, water potential, importance in plant and the animal, fertilizers and the irrigation effect. So and the sports drink and isotonic solutions. If you understand this lecture, then like the video, share it with your friends, write osmosis done in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the next lecture on active transport. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.